we studied so many things. We studied about numbers, playing with the numbers, how to play with the numbers. We all studied. Yes. Anyone got bored in the last class? No, no. That is an interesting subject. Knowing about our numbers is a interesting subject, children. In this chapter, we have so many types. We can play with the puzzles. Using the digits, we can play the numbers. With the playing only, we can calculate the mathematics. We can calculate the answers. We can apply so many formulas in this. We can apply properties of mathematics. We can apply everything, and we can play the game. If you think it is a game, then it will be easier for you. If you think about only difficulty of maths, then it will be lifelong. The maths will be the difficult subject for you. Yes? Okay. So what you have to think, children? You have to think that the maths is it is a game. Maths is a game. We have to play with using tricky formulas. Tricky formulas. You can apply so many things. You can don't do that procedure only. You can do the other procedure also. But answer have to same, and the method what all you did now, that method have to be related to the maths, not in other subject. Not other subject methods we can't use in maths. Yes, now we can't use that methods. We have to use the particularly what method is there. In that only little bit difficult, little bit difference we can. But the totally the different subject if we use, then totally it is wrong. Yes. Yes, now children, shall we begin with that chapter only, the continue part? Okay. Before starting, we'll start with a short prayer. In the every class, we have to begin with a prayer. So we'll start with a short sloka. Okay. Please join your hand. Close your eyes. गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बो पदसारभक्षितं उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्. Okay, we did our prayer. What is the meaning of that prayer, children? We are just praying to the Lord Ganesha. We are just praying to the God. Yes, you all know Ganesha now? Yes? Okay. We'll begin with our classes now. First chapter is playing with the numbers. What is the first chapter, children? Playing with the numbers. Playing with numbers. Playing with numbers means what? We are just playing with the numbers. We are just playing a game here. How the numbers with the cross numbers, with the reverse numbers, the number digits, the placing, the change of the numbers, that all things we are doing here. Yes, playing a puzzle in this. You all played the puzzles? Yes, like that only. Using these numbers only we play the puzzles. Okay. First, in the previous class, what we did the generalized form of the numbers. Generalized form of the number. Page number 2. Children, so open your page number 2. In that generalized form, how to generalize the numbers. How to generalize the numbers. Generalize means expanding the numbers. Expanding form. How to expand the numbers. For example, if we have a number 45. How to expand the number 45? Make a split it. 45 split padidra 40 plus 5 we get. Yes? Yes? Okay. After splitting, the next step is 4 into which digit is a 10 digit. So 4 in madbeka 10 joti multiply madbeka 5. How much digits are there in this? Only 1. So 5 into 1. So 4 into 10 will be what? 40. Yes, now you all know tables. 4 into 10 will be 40. 5 into 1 will be 5. So totally make it a total addition. You all know now 40 plus 5 will be what? We got this much only. Here also we have 45. Here also we have 45. RHS is equals to LHS. RHS is equals to LHS. We are making a expandation form of a number, expandation form of a digit or a number. Understood, children, how to expand the numbers? Like that, we can do it to the three digit numbers also. 3 3 digit numbers and ಎಷ್ಟು digit ಇರ್ತಾವ 3. Yes, 3 numbers will be there. In that also we can make a generalized form. Shall we move? Shall we do? Okay. 3 digit numbers. In your chapter only they given one example. 345. Make it 3 digit number it is. Okay. 300 first. Because this is a hundreds place. Plus this is a tens place. So will be a 50. This is in a ones place. So 4. Okay. We are just expanding the number. After that we are making a generalized form. 3 into 100. Because it's there in a hundreds place. Next 5 into, in which place it is? Tens place. 10 plus 4 into which place it is? 1. Yes, 4 into 1. 3 into 100, 5 into 10, 4 into 1. Why we are writing 100 here? Because we are there in a hundreds place. We are there in a which place? Hundreds place. So we are taking a 100 here. Here we are in a tens place, so we are taking 10. Here we are in a ones place, here so we are taking 1. Understood? Okay. After I will make RHS is equals to LHS now. 3 into 100 will be what? 300 plus 5 into 10 will be 50 plus 4 into 1 will be 4. Add these all things, children. We get 354. Now check RHS is equals to LHS. We got same answers now. We are making a generalized form, but the answer will also get same. We are just making a expandation form. Obviously answer same ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ and we are not playing other division method or a subtraction method here. We are just using a addition here and we are using a multiplication. So the answer will come that 2354. And one more thing, children. In addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we have so many properties. You all know that properties. We have so many properties. In that, addition and multiplication have a similar properties. Addition and multiplication have a similar properties. And subtraction and division have a similar properties. So, in so many cases, we use together. Addition and multiplication together use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ properties ಯಾವಾಗಿದ್ರೂ similar ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ. That properties will be similar. So whenever we are calculating the numbers, whenever we are doing some calculation methods, we use these two. Idu badli bare bare use madudilla ನಾವು. At a time we not use two other symbols. We use only addition and multiplication because the properties will be same. The answer correct baraka that will help us. Same baraka that will help us. Okay. We understood the generalized form of the numbers. Yes, we did generalized form. Like this, here we did only 3 digit numbers. We can do a 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digits and it's go on. But the answer will be same because we are just generalizing the numbers. Okay, we'll move on to the next exercise 1.1. Open page number for all of you. We did 1 and 2. First and 2 we did. Again, one more time I will do exercise number 1.1. First question. What is the first question? Write the following numbers in a generalized form. In the last class, what we did? First one we did, second one we did. And the remaining all I told you to do by yourself. Yes? If you done, that will be the good. If you not, one more time I will do. Okay, first one. Write the following numbers in a generalized form. Just now I told you generalized form. So we'll do it. 39. 30 plus 9. So making the place value 3 into 10 because it's there in a tens place plus 9 into 1. Why 1? It is there in a ones place. Yes, this is the generalized form. If ishta bardrunu saku. If you want answer, then make a calculation here. 30 same again I will get this one only and 9. 30 plus 9 will be same we get. But till this if you do, that will be the okay. Okay? Ishta madidrunu saku. Idu edakke ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ clarifying the answer. If the answer we got that is correct or not, checking for that we have to do the next step. If you don't want to leave this one, do till this. making a generalized form. Okay. Second question. Second one, 52. 52. 50 plus 2. Okay. 5 into, in which place it is? Tens place. 2 into ones place. Why 1? We are there in a ones place. Yes, we did the generalized form. This is the generalized form. Okay. Third one. 106. 106. 100 plus 100 place. Tens place we don't have anything. Here in tens place we don't have anything. So what? 0 we have to write. The next will be 6. Okay. Make it generalized form. 1 into 100 plus 0 into 10. Why? Here we have only 0 value. If it's any other number, then we have to multiply that number. But here we have 0. So we have to write 0 into 10 plus 6 into 1. 6 into 1. You can calculate that. You will get the answer also. If you want to clarify the answer, you have to do the next step also. I will do the next step here. Okay, 1 into 100 will be what, children? 100 plus 0 into 10. How much? 0 into 10 will be always 0 only. 6 into 1 will be 6. So add these three. 106. We got this answer only. We got this answer only. Okay, if you get any confusion here, then you have to do this method. If you don't want, stop here only. Okay, if you get any confusion, or if you think that, if you feel that the answer is wrong, then please cross check it. You will get the correct answer. Okay, you can cross check by yourself only. Next, remaining so many sums are there. 359, 628. We'll do 359 and 628. Remaining 3 sums you have to do by yourself in a homework book. Fourth one, 359. 300 plus 50 plus 9. 3 into what? 3 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Yes, this is there in a 100 place, this is there in a tens place, this is there in a ones place. So multiply this and you will get this answer only. Okay, this is the generalized form of 359. Okay, fifth question, 628. 628. Make it generalized form. First we have to write 600 plus, in a tens place we have a 2, so 20, plus in ones place we have 8. Okay, now 6 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8 into 1. This is the generalized form of 628. Okay, the homework will be, today's homework will be what? The next 4-digit number is there, that also will solve it one, and remaining 2 you have to do by yourself. Sixth one, 3458. Okay, first 3000. Here we have 4-digit numbers. Here we have 4-digit numbers. 3000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8. Make a generalized form. 3 into, in which place it is? In a 1000 place. So we have to write 1000 here, plus 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Okay, this is a 4-digit number. This is the 4-digit number. In 4-digit number we get 1000. In 100-digit number we get 100. In 100 also 100. Okay, in tens we get 10. These are the methods of making a generalized form. Okay, remaining 2 sums you have to do by yourself. And the next main, in the second main we'll do 1 and 2 sums. Please see the second main. Write the following in a decimal form. They are given in a generalized form. We have to convert into decimal form. We have to convert into decimal form. They did the generalized form. Okay, first question. Second main olaga. First question. 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1 they given. This is the generalized form. We have to convert this into decimal form. Decimal form ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು number way ನೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಗ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು number way ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. We have converted into decimal form. Now the ulta. The procedure is reversed. Okay. Now 5 into 10 will be what? 50 plus 6 into 1 will be 6. Add these two. How much we get? 56. This is the general form of this one. This is the general form of what? This one. Understood? How to do this? Second one. 7 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Okay. Here we have a 100 digit numbers. Okay. 7 into 100 will be what? 700 plus 5 into 10 will be 50 plus 8 into 1 will be 8. Add these three children. We get 758. This is the general form of this one. General form of this number. These numbers. Okay. Understood how to make the generalized form to decimal form? Remaining three. Third one, fourth one and fifth one you have to do it by yourself. What all the homework? Today's homework? First main olaga, second, last two, and the second main olaga, third, fourth and fifth. Okay? Please solve it by yourself in a homework book. We'll explain you the next part of the chapter in the next class. Okay children? Bye.